Today we are in the outskirts of Roccaspinalveti, a pretty small village situated at 45 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast and 60 minutes drive from the ski slopes. And today we are looking at a country house of approximately 340 square meters. This is the main entrance, and as we enter, we find an entrance hall, the first double bedroom, and proceeding along the corridor, we find the second double bedroom, and at the end of the corridor, we find a kitchen with fireplace. With access to the panoramic terrace. The terrace measures 25 square meters and it enjoys a lovely panoramic view of the surrounding hills and mountains. This is the garden that belongs to the property and it is completely fenced. And this right here is the living area. Both these rooms are very bright. And then we find the full bathroom with bathtub. And now we can go upstairs. On the upper floor, we find a spacious landing connecting all the rooms together. And we find another double bedroom. Then we find a second kitchen that can be converted into an additional bedroom. And then we have another double bedroom with 3 single beds right now. As you can see, the house is connected to main gas and avails of central heating system and all utilities connected. And then a full bathroom with bathtub. And then we have this small room that could be used as a storage room or as a walk-in closet. And we are now on the basement floor with a large cellar and a storage room. With access to the garden, and next to it we find a large garage with also access to the garden. The garden measures approximately 2,000 square meters with olive trees and fruit trees. It is completely fenced and flat, so it will be possible to install a swimming pool. On the garden, we find also a 50 square meter stone house with kitchen, fireplace, and wood burning oven. And also a small toilet. This annex also avails of a room at raw state that could be turned into a bedroom to achieve a self-contained flat perfect to be rented. If you're interested in this country villa with garden, please send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.